Hey there tubers, Redneck Brian here. As you see in front of me, I have a little 4-horse Briggs. This is that one I got yesterday for free, and we're going to see what's actually wrong with this. I've already cracked all the head bolts loose, and I've already removed one shroud bolt, which is right there, and I also removed the brand new spark plug that was in it. So I got my air wrench. These were really tight, or else I would have showed it on camera, but I had to break them all loose. So let's see what happens. There we go. Loosen the rest of it by hand. They're still pretty tight. I thought we might have possibly snapped off a couple bolts. I do not know yet though. Okay, let's turn the motor. The piston looks okay. Head gasket's shot. Head gasket's definitely shot. It did turn. Nope. Actually doesn't look too bad. It's really stiff right on that stroke right there though. Gets into like a stiff spot right here. But then that obviously no head gas, no head on it. It loosens back up again. So this here is loose. So next step will be is to remove this rear cover. If I got a socket here that'll fit it, I might do it right now. And I do. So let's lay it down on its face. See if there's any gas in it. Yeah, it's got a full tank of gas. And it's probably got oil in it too. Let me think here, what do I want to do? I might wait for another video to do that. I don't really want to lose all that gas in there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So I should break free a couple of these bolts for the side cover. Camera down. We'll break them all free. That's good enough for now. So I don't think this would be really a bad engine. If it's all depends on what's in there, which is making the piston really stiff, which I do not know. Top of the piston doesn't look too bad. Cylinder wall's are scored right there. A little bit of scoring on the cylinder. So yeah, this thing might be pooched. It's hard to say if that's just hard to really say. There's a really good scratch right there, but there's a ridge right there in this area. But other than that, it's smooth, but scored. So this thing could be pooched. It's almost like it's ran without oil. So I'll have to wait and see what the crank looks like, which I'll probably do tomorrow. I'll cover this thing up and leave it outside here. I've got no room for it in the shop. So yeah, I'll drain the gas out of it tomorrow. I'll drain the oil and I'll videotape on doing this cover and see what happens, see what it looks like underneath that cover. It's a shame. It doesn't look like really a bad engine. Carb's probably good, tank's good, nice and clean in there. Yeah, tank is clean, about half to quarter tank of gas in it. This thing was sitting inside, so it shouldn't have any water in it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for part 2 of Engine Autopsy. And I'll talk to you guys all later. Keep it redneck and chooch it. And please subscribe and comment. Too bad, really.